Today, we're going to discuss about scale factor.
The definition of scale factor. The ratio of any two corresponding lengths in two similar geometric fixtures is called a scale factor. The ratio of the length of the scale drawing to the corresponding length of the actual object is called a scale factor.
A scale factor is a number used as a multiplier in scaling. A scale factor is used to scale shapes in 1, 2, or 3 dimensions.
This is General Baldomero Aguinaldo, the first cousin of General Emilio Aguinaldo, and one of the three Aguinaldos that became a general in the Philippine Revolution.
Ang measure nito. Kaya ang scale factor nila ay 50.
Sukat ng baba ng hagdan dito sa picture hanggang sa taas ay 10 inches. Sa actual naman, ang sukat ng baba hanggang sa pinakataas ay 100 inches. Kaya ang scale factor niya ay 10.
Ito ay kasalaw. Dito naman the visitors of the National Gathering Celebrate and how the family enjoyed the passing religious parade and procession through the white windows.
Para makuha ang scale factor ng upuan nito, kunin natin ang size nito. For example, kung ang size ng upuan nito ay 5 at ang size nito ay 15, 15 divided by 5 is equals 3. Therefore, ang scale factor nila is 3.
By the way, guys, ito yung mga ginamit tayo sa
Size daw sa picture is 2, then ang actual size dito sa yan, is 10, then divide by 2, scale factor is 5. Back to the host. Hello. Eh, ito mo gusto na sa
Yard!
Muska dyan.
Hello. today,
I'm Mirjad.
Kim and Darla. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye. Bye. Yum. Bye bye. Yum. Ikaw naman dali. Bye bye. Bye bye. Seri ka sa akin. Bye bye.
Bye na!
Today, we're going to discuss about scale factor.
The definition of scale.
Today, we're going to discuss about scale factor.
Uy, ayun sa'yo.
Wala pagkain. Shut up.
Para malaman ang scale factor ng hagdan, dito sa hagdan, kung
Yung isa, may message din sa isa. Message po kami. Last project na po namin to, naiyak po kami. Hindi ako.